everyone, it's I here. Welcome to my channel. And for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng brookies or what they call brownie cookies. So ayan, prepare lang natin yung chocolate. We will need 240 grams of them and pinaghahalo ko lang dito yung dark chocolate and semi-sweet. After that, mag-a-add lang ako ng 60 grams of butter and it's a total of 300. Yan. Push. And after that guys, i-melt ko lang siya sa kumukulong tubig and ganyan na yung magiging itsura niya. Next is magwi-whisk lang tayo ng 120 grams of white sugar, 2 itlog, and tsaka half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, dun tayo sa next guys, magsisift lang tayo ng 80 grams of flour and mag-a-add ako dyan ng salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After that guys, ihahalo na natin yung ating flour doon sa ating melted chocolate and butter. And after natin siyang mahalo guys, is ganyan na yung magiging itsura niya and ihahalo naman natin ngayon yung ating egg sugar mixture. Ayan, halo lang ng halo guys hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung chocolatey na texture niya. So, ganyan na yung magiging after. And mag-a-add tayo ng 60 grams of chocolate chips. Then, ifo-fold in lang natin siya ng bongga. Yan. And dahil meron pa akong nakasalang sa oven guys, ilalagay ko muna siya sa fridge for at least 10 minutes. Yan. And after that guys, mag-prepare tayo ng baking pan with baking sheet and mag-i-scoop lang tayo ng mixture and ilalagay natin siya doon sa ating baking paper. So dapat guys, meron tayong space kasi nag-i-spread out yan siya pag maluluto na. So, pag naka-ready na siya guys, pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. So, optional lang to guys. Pwede tayong maglagay ng chocolate chips and after that, ilalagay na natin siya sa cooling rack para lumamig na siya at pwede na siyang kainin. So, ayan na siya guys. Ready to eat na. Hope you enjoy. And masarap talaga to guys, in fairness. I-recommend ko talaga sa inyo that you should try. So yeah, I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. Thank you so much for watching and see you again sa susunod guys. Bye! I love you so much. Mwah!